What made me go into teaching? A lot of people ask me this question, and I give the same answer every time. My life was changed, through a teacher. A teacher came to me, a teacher spoke to me. And through his teachings and through his meetings, my life has changed. I could have been anywhere by now with no education in my hand. As a teacher, you're not only teaching a certain subject, it goes beyond that. Like, for me, example, if I have an hour of teaching, in most cases 5 minutes, we talk about general affairs. One session, it's all it takes. One student, one session to change their whole perspective of life. And with me, I also want to, have that reach onto someone, change someone's life the way my life has been changed. Because I personally feel that now I can't just take my education and then go into whatever field and start cashing in money. I feel that's selfish of me to do. If I can get someone whose life I can change and that someone will change someone's life, I feel that this is a blessing for me as well. At some point, we actually thought these are Turkish tourists and they're so happy to see African people, because they would come in the class. And I remember we were once in, I think it's a maths class, and then our teacher said, guys, when these guys come in, keep quiet, you want to see something. The guys came and he said merhaba, and we remember that merhaba is hello, because we also learned Turkish from grade 8, 9, 10. He said merhaba, and we said merhaba, and then he was so happy that we could actually respond in his language. And he gave everyone, I think it was 100 rand note. We didn't even know he's a trustee, He was so happy. He came, he hugged everyone. He was so happy that we responded to him in his language. And that person, coming to us, hugging us, touching us, we didn't know, well, let me just say as Africans, we used to rich people not even, they would not even look past us. And now you have someone who's a trustee of a school, who's a donor, coming to you, hugging you in tears, He's so happy, tears were running down his eyes. He's only happy that you could only respond in his language. That's how happy he was. So it's been months. He's not seen his son, he's not seen his wife. And he's still waking up daily, doing what he did years back, same way, no change, smile. I see him even asking me still, do you need money for this? I'm like, sir, listen, I'm working now. I'm able to now feed my family and have something for me. But now this person is still asking me, do you need money? Are you going to be okay? Is your family all right? And I'm like, this type of humanity is really different. Knowing that your struggle has now changed millions of lives, this has to be motivation. There's no other better motivation. It doesn't come better than this type of motivation. So that would be my advice to them.